While you're on the edit page, click on effects panel to open it. Under the toolbox, select effects and then drag and drop fusion composition on your timeline. Make sure your playhead is over the fusion composition and then click on fusion to go to the fusion page. The first thing we need to do is to add a background color. So from the toolbar, click and drag the background icon and now click on the gray square and drag a line to the yellow rectangle on the media out 1 node. This would then connect the background to our fusion composition and then click on the inspector panel to open it and then select the color. Pick the color that you want to use and then click on OK. While the background node is still selected, find the rectangle icon from the toolbar and then simply click on it to add it. To make it hollow, from the inspector panel, uncheck the solid checkmark, and in order to give the border, increase the border width using the slider. Now you can see the hollow rectangle appear. You can change the border style to curve the edges. You can use the width and height to change its size, or you could directly drag the rectangle on the viewer to change its size and position. And now if you go to the edit page, you should be able to see the rectangle. However, sometimes there is a glitch in DaVinci Resolve, which for some reason doesn't show the rectangle in the edit page. And in order to fix that, you need to save your project and then close the DaVinci Resolve and then open it again. And after opening your project, you should be able to see the rectangle. Obviously, you could use the transform handles on the viewer to resize it and reposition it. You will need to use the corners in order to avoid stretching or squeezing one side of the rectangle. You could also use the inspector panel to adjust the zoom and position. However, if you want to make the rectangle narrower, you will need to go back to the fusion page, make sure rectangle is selected, and then you could adjust its width or height and then go back to the edit page and make the final adjustments. Using fusion composition is easier and completely isolate itself from the video below, but its disadvantage is that when you go to the fusion page, you won't be able to see the video below, which makes it harder to get precise height, width, and position with respect to the video below. So in my next video, I will show you another method to create the hollow rectangle, but you could see the video below in the fusion page. So if you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.